This thing's still alive. No, check it out. You ever feel like weird being you, who you are? You know what I'm saying? Like, the more I think about it, it's weird. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of spooky, weird. Uh, uh, think about what I just said. It blows my mind. There was something, the instrumental earlier, man. It was like, talk to me, you know what I'm saying? It's like that hurricane one did, you know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, crazy, man. Or storms and stuff like that, man, made. I mean, you can't tell me they ain't. For real. Like, cause, for real. You know what I'm saying? It's been happening for like a year. Like, even back whenever, I had, I think it was, I ain't gonna say the names, you know what I'm saying? But I made a song and I said when I drop, I'll shake the nation. You know what I'm saying? Had an earthquake. So day after I released the song in Alaska. For real. It's weird. I mean, like, weird shit like that happens, like, the last couple of years of my life. You know what I'm saying? I changed, you know what I'm saying, a lot whenever I don't even like talk about it for real, man. We moved on past that. I really ain't talk about it no more. It's dead. That makes sense. Uh. Anyway, man, roll tide, you know what I'm saying? Gangsta need love too. So, get bad. On my live, I did have one view. You know what I'm saying? I was on live for a while. Trump. I'm just playing. It wasn't Trump.